Hello viewers, welcome again to our tutorial. Let's take a look at cell alignment in Microsoft Excel. There are 6 types of alignment. We have the top alignment, as you can see here. We have the top alignment, we have the middle alignment, we have the bottom alignment, left alignment, center alignment, and the right alignment. So by default, numbers are aligned to the right of the cell. As you can see, these are numbers are aligned to the right. Look at them here. These are all numbers, and letters are aligned to the left, as you can see. Okay, so if you want to change the alignment of whether number or cell, all you need to do is to select. Let's say you want to align the whole of column A. Want to align them to the left. So the alignment is on the home tab, on the alignment group. You click the left alignment, which is this, and it aligns left. Okay, so let's align the let's align these ones to the center. This center alignment, you click on the center alignment here. We have them aligned center. Now we can also align these to the center. Click on the center alignment. Okay, let's take a look at the right alignment. Okay, the right alignment, these ones are already aligned right. Okay, still on this, we can just click on the align right and we have it. Let's go back to the center alignment. Now if you want to align up or down, let's say for example, let's increase the height of this. Okay, look at the sales record. It's already on the bottom alignment, as you can see. So let's try and align this to the middle. You can see it. You can also align it up. So these are the 6 alignments basically that we have in Microsoft Excel. It's very good for beginners to know.